Hi, I'm Manju Vasudevan.
I'm Pavitra Joshi.
Hello, I'm Rajneesh Prasad,
I'm the founder of Forest Post.
I'm founder of Kumaukand.
co-founder of Revi Environmental Solutions.
Well, the GTM workshop that was conducted by Tamanna was one of the most insightful ones for people like us. But we've already started thinking about what revenues are we looking at, what should be your target, what should be the campaigns and promos around it. So I think overall it's making us think marketing specific.
Could actually see like a lot of changes and see whatever Tamanna has like shared with us as a template and also other things. It has actually helped us. For example, like segmentation, persona building of the customers, the NPS score which I had no clue about, like taking the customer feedback survey and like a lot of other things also, but these are the few things which I'm actually carrying. So the whole exercise really helped us with the execution. We already had like one, and last 4 months we already opened one more outlet, and the shop in shop also increased from 10 shop in shop concepts to maybe like also 25 places where we are from Dehradun to Goa.
With the help of this framework, which we exercised and practiced and created one document. So now with that framework and the exercises we have done, how we needed to take this product to the market and how it is going to be useful in terms of its value proposition to the end user.